Hi, my name is Paul Wagner, and I work for Lamar Consolidated Independent School District. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about PowerPoint and how you can insert media into PowerPoint itself. Let's take a look at my screen. The first thing I'm going to look at is how to insert video. I'll go to the Insert tab. Video is located on the end under Media. I'll choose to locate or to import a video, insert a video from File. It will let me browse to whatever file I'm looking for on my computer, highlight it, insert, and the video is inserted straight into your PowerPoint presentation. Notice there are video tools up on top, and under the Playback tab, this is where you can choose how you want it to start and if you want full screen, things like that. Enough about inserting video from File. Let's look at inserting it from a website. I'm going to go create a new slide onto my PowerPoint presentation, and I'm going to go back to my Insert tab and insert video again, but this time I'm going to choose video from website. A little window pops up where it wants you to embed put the embed code. I've found a video on YouTube that I really like, and so I'm going to embed this one. I click on the Share button that's located below the video, and from there I have to click on the Embed button located below that. This is where it gets kind of tricky. Okay? They show you an embed code right here that they want you to copy and paste, but with PowerPoint you have to use the old version of embed code. So I need to check the box, use old embed code, then copy that, go back to my presentation, paste it into the box. I would click Insert and it will work its magic, and you'll be ready to go. Okay. Enough about inserting video. Let's work at inserting audio. To insert audio, you walk through the same process. Click it from File if you're choosing a file that you have on your computer. Browse to wherever it's located on your computer, and it pops it in a second. A little icon should show up with your audio file that will allow you to click on it to play. You can also go through the audio tools, playbacks tabs again, and you can choose to hide it during the show, choose if you wanted to loop it. All those different options are available to you. Okay? Now let's look at the Animations tab. That's one that there's quite a few questions usually to, so I want to focus just real quickly on the animations and how you can get those to work. Okay, so if I go back to my presentation, I'm going to have a new slide here, and I'm going to choose to make it a blank slide just because sometimes that bothers me with the stuff in the background. First thing I need to do is I need to find something that I want to insert. So I'm going to go to insert some clip art, and I'm going to look for a dog. Okay, this is the perfect picture that I want to have. So I'm going to drag it in, and here's my media that I want to animate now. Okay, I select my picture, I go to my Animations tab, and they actually have much of it set up for you right across the ribbon on the top. If you'd rather see more of it on the side, you can click on the Animation pane button, and it will show the animation pane here. I'm going to click out of the clip art so it doesn't take up as much of my room or much space. If I want to choose to have an animate come in, if I click on the little drop down, it will show me all the animations that are available in the program itself. So if I wanted to wheel in, I click on wheel, and it will show it to me what it looks like. It also gives me the options over here so that I can choose if I want to change some of those settings. You can do this for any object that you have on your PowerPoint slide, whether it be text, a picture, whatever. Okay? The last thing I want to focus on today is the different ways that you can save your presentations. I am going to pull up another presentation that I already have completed so that we can look at this and I can talk a little bit about some of the options you have. The first option I want to talk about is your ability to save these as pictures. If you go into your File option and you choose Save As, one of the options for the Save As type is going to be a JPEG file interchange format. It's a picture. If I click on JPEG file interchange format and I click Save, it will prompt me in saying, do I want just the slide that I'm on to be saved as a picture, or do I want every slide? I'm going to choose every slide, and it tells me that it's been inputted into a folder on my computer. So if I pull my folder back up, I will see right here I have a PowerPoint example folder, and each slide, if I click on it to open, will be a picture of the slide that exists. The next option I want to show you is how to save them as a PDF. Same process. I choose Save As. This time I would choose as a PDF file. And if I would click Save out on this one, it will save each slide as a page in a PDF document that then you can share with anybody that you would like. Okay. The last one I want to show you is going through the same process again, but this time I want to look at a Windows Media video file. If I choose that and I choose to save it, it will turn your slides into videos. Now, we just talked about animations too. If you put animations on your objects, know that as the video plays, it will show the animations as well. I've already gone through this process, and I loaded a file or saved a file so that you can see what it looks like. I give it a chance to load here. I will let you know that it does take a few moments for it to save, because it's got to take all of your actions and put it in. But as you see it go through, any animation that I put on will come through, including transitions from slide to slide. The last thing I want to show you are photo albums. Photo albums can be great for if you are trying to import a lot of images into a PowerPoint all at once. I'm going to create a new PowerPoint here. Maybe. Okay, we're going to choose a blank presentation, and now I'm going to go ahead and Insert tab and choose Photo Album. When I get to this window, I choose on where to insert the pictures from, and I have a file that has the images in there already, and I'm going to choose just about 6 of them and choose to insert, and it will show me previews of all the images, and I can rearrange them if I want to. Oh no, oh yes, I can. By clicking here and using the up-down buttons, I can choose to move the order if I would like to. I can also choose on whether I want to fit one picture onto each slide, or if I want to put more than one picture on a slide, things like that. When I have all that created, I click Create, and it will automatically do a template title page for me, but then the pages, as you see, inserted the pictures as they are. From there, I can still move these around, I can resize them and do whatever, but if I'm trying to import a lot of pictures at one time, this is a great way to get it done and to put them on each on individual slides. That's all I've got to show you today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you can always email us at cits@lcisd.org. Once again, my name is Paul Wagner. Have a great day.